Hi everyone, it's Friday and welcome to the new Make Money weekend. I've changed the publishing schedule, trying something new. I used to share Make Money online videos on Wednesdays and I decided to swap it with the business and marketing tips that I usually share on Fridays. So on Fridays now, it will be videos about Make Money online. And today we're going to discuss about how to make money on YouTube with simple relaxation videos. Here are a few channels that do this type of videos and see how much they're earning. The estimated earnings for this channel per month is up to $96,000 and the yearly earnings are estimated to be about $1.2 million. This other channel earns up to $72,000 a month and $800,000 a year. And they don't need to create the video content. You can get the content for free, edit and put them all together and upload to YouTube to start earning. Let me show you how. In this first step, you need to get some copyright-free videos, right? So go to Pexels to get copyright-free stock videos. For example, let's search for videos of seasides. Then let's search only for videos. Look at the search results. Select a video you like. Check to make sure it's free to use and no attribution required. Then download it for free. The next step requires to get, music for your video. So go to YouTube Audio Library to get royalty-free music. You can filter the search for the genre and the type of music you need. For example, I want to download calming mood music, yeah? So from the filtered results, I see the list for this type of music, yeah? And please take note of the license for the music. For example, there's CC license where you must give attribution. The music with the YouTube logo does not require you to give attribution. Usually, I like to choose music that does not require attribution. For example, here's a track titled A Slow Dream. I check that it does not require attribution. After listening to it, I like to use it for the relaxing video, so I download it. So the third and final step is to put it all together. Use video editing software to put it all together. Notice the videos on your YouTube are at least an hour long. These are popular, because people want time to relax. So create a relaxing video of the same length. You can repeat the video you downloaded from Pexels or have a few that you rotate and repeat. You can also repeat the music until it lasts for over an hour. Then upload the video to your YouTube channel. When you start doing this, you may not make any money at the start yet, because there are requirements by YouTube before your channel can monetize. So you will need to put in a lot of time and effort. Preferably upload a relaxing video once a day or once every 2 days. It's a numbers game. The more videos you upload, the higher the chances of your videos getting discovered, getting views, and your channel getting subscribers. So this way of making money takes up a lot of time and effort. If you prefer to have an online business that make more money, and for the long term and in the form of passive income, then I recommend affiliate marketing. You will need to learn how to do it right, have the right tools to help you to succeed, and expert help to guide you when you're lost. There is a resource that I recommend to get all that. It's my #1 recommendation. Go to the description below and click on the link to get it now. Do you have any questions about this video, about how to make money on YouTube with simple relaxation videos? Let me know in the comments below. I will continue to publish new videos about making money online every Friday now. So remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.